This is how a car starts with these thin but strong steel coils. In the age of making cars lighter, there's an incredible journey from a sheet of steel to a fully built car. Imagine a steel monster made up of thousands of parts and complex processes. The different steel plates on the car body have their own unique destinies. The old-school way of manufacturing requires lots of expensive stamping and cutting molds, which means high cost, wasted materials, and difficulties in producing different car models in small quantities. That's where the laser uncoiling and cutting lines come in. Our cutting edge laser system combines laser cutting with coil uncoiling and feeding. It's like magic. The laser moves as the material feeds, cutting at super fast speeds of up to 150 meters per minute. Our smart software figures out the best way to cut each part without wasting any material, boosting material efficiency by 15. To make sure everything stays on track, we have laser measurement devices that keep the material in mind. We even have automatic sorting and stacking systems and laser marking systems to speed up production and keep everything organized. Our system is a secret weapon for making smart and eco-friendly cars.